Been a hot minute that I haven't been up in here. Yeah, it's a hot minute since I haven't been up in here. Mm-hmm. Look at that rice and beans and sausage. Yes, honey, yes. Get into that. Look at that. Look at that chicken. Well, I'm gonna let everybody get in here first. Why didn't put this in there too? I guess ain't nobody wanna be on today. But nobody wanna see me today. Like I said, hold it. Anyway, look at that rice and chicken. Now I just stuck the rice inside there. Now I'm pour the water. Yes, you see that sizzle? I'm gonna put y'all back up in here because I gotta mix that. I can't believe there's nobody on here. Here goes the rice and beans. See the beans? Look at the rice. Yes, look at that rice and beans. Get into it, honey. Yes, look at that chicken. Rice and beans and ham. I mean, well, sausages, not ham. Rice and beans, sausage. Oh, my goodness, I got confused there. Rice and beans and sausage. And then the chicken. And I'm gonna cover up the rice. Yes, hunty. Put that, limit on the medium because I don't want it to burn. I put the sucker on low in the store, like it feels like it's on high. And then you got me. Well, I just keep up on here just to show y'all what I was cooking today. And see y'all later. God bless and have a beautiful Tuesday. Yes, I finished I just started cooking, and
what's the first thing you're going to do?
Now I'm just here watching the news.
What's going through your heart? What's going through your mind? I'm leaving behind a lot of good people.
That's about it.
That, you know, ain't giving us
We'll see y'all later. God bless and have a beautiful day. Bye now.
And, you know, I hope to send home one day myself. You know, it's been a struggle, a hard struggle. You know, just can't give up. That's what made it done. I got a good team, made it. Hey, good family support. Never gave up. It was hard. Never gave up.
Now, James Wygorsky worked
That's
for you
so weird.
long, almost 8 years, 900 hours, and I heard that you were really instrumental in giving him information that helped make this day possible.
Sometimes I think it was my mind that he pushed me to remember things. You can always remember the truth. You can't remember a lie. And that's what set me free today, the truth.
And what will you do now?
I meet great people, and they be in my life forever.
All right, then. See you later. Bye. God bless.